With years of research and cultivation, we have developed the world's first self-watering hydroponic planter equipped with a grow light. Introducing the Marsplanter, an indoor hydroponic planter that enables you to cultivate plants indoors without relying on natural light, even in a Mars-like environment. Featuring our patented pottery pot, the Marsplanter incorporates an automatic watering function. Sit back to watch the seed sprout and the plants thrive. This user-friendly design makes it suitable for all, including children. Simply fill some water reservoir if the water line falls below this line. Powered by 37 high-performance LED beams, this revolutionary Marsplanter ensures optimal photosynthesis. With 3 adjustable light modes, it provides plants with the essential wavelengths necessary for year-round growth. The adjustable height and time setting features allow the light to adapt and accommodate the plant's growth. With 3 color options, Marsplanter complements any style or decor in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, office, shop, and more. What's more, you can even make a self-watering potted landscape with Marsplanter. May SpaceX bring us to Mars next year, and we are going to plant on it with Marsplanter.